What's good, fam? Looks like we've already got something to connect our universal profiles to. So wanted to do a quick walkthrough on Common Ground. Now, if you don't know what Common Ground is, they are like a Web3 version of Discord, totally decentralized, and you can connect your universal profile to it. So let's get into it. As always, I recommend going to the official Twitter to make sure you get the proper links. And here we are at the homepage. Cool little graphic and launch app. Welcome to the Web3 community platform. Awesome. Sign in. Oh, we've got some guidelines. You can do Twitter or click on that. All right, below Ethereum, we got universal profiles. I'm already logged into my browser extension, so I just select my profile there and confirm. Pulls up a little login on my profile again. Boom. All right, pretty simple, straightforward stuff. All right, looks like you can import your Twitter profile there. And it's already pulled in information and my image from my universal profile. That is very cool. I guess I can, let me see. I'm going to go and see if I can link my Twitter as well. It'd be cool to have both connected. There we go, authorize app. Boom. Okay, cool. So you can add the Common Ground username as well. Alts. Let's see, check on that. Okay, that's the homepage, I guess. Yeah, I guess you can change the name of that as well if you don't want it to be the URL. All right, create account. The name is already taken. Oh, bummer. Okay, no, that's lame. Somebody stole my name. No. Oh, it's anonymous. Okay, no spaces. Maybe I can do this dash, no dash, underscore. No, okay, only letters and numbers. All right, let's just go old school then. Full name, back to back. Let's run it. Create account. All right. Enable. Sure. Why not? All right. You can shout out on Twitter. Actually just did that. Don't need to do it again. All right. Welcome to Common Ground. Finish. Awesome. Okay, cool. So let's take a look around. Let's see. You can turn notifications if you didn't already. We got chats. Don't have anything yet. Oh yeah. Discover communities. Okay, cool. There's probably a good amount on here already. Yeah. Oh, that's if you want to create one. Let me see. I wonder if I can find the MetaHeads one. There might be quite a bit to scroll through. So maybe let's go over to Twitter. I actually just posted that link recently. And there it is. MetaHeads, Common Ground. Click on that. Bam. Pulls it up. You can see my information that I built there before. Join community from my universal profile. All right, let's go. Members. You can see members that have already connected. Look at all those beautiful little LUKSO logos. That means that they connected their universal profile. There's already a bunch of people that are doing it. I love it. All right, cool. Let's go to the chat. Oh, there we go. Yeah, they've been chatting it up today. Universal profile connected. Let's go. Bam. See if anybody's hanging around. Yeah. Who else has linked their profile? I think actually I already see right there with their beautiful little logos. Yeah. And I just realized too, I actually had rugged myself previously with the name alts when I made one before connecting my universal profile. So might have to, but it doesn't even matter. Actually, I think because, yeah, looking at their names. Oh, Rob's here. Yes, sir. Let's go, Rob. Yeah, so looking at their names, you can actually, working on mobile too. That's sick. Yeah, this is great. So imagine whenever you can actually, utilize this stuff with reputation systems and all these interactions are earning reputation on chain. That's going to be sweet. You can also select for Common Ground to pull that information directly from your universal profile. Like you can see with Rob's there, it's got the little icon. So that is pulling. So I can actually still use alts directly from my profile, which is awesome. Hopefully this little walkthrough helped guide you guys. And yeah, come join the MetaHeads chat and say what's up. Get those universal profiles made. Start using them.